roundabout, turning right, third exit. Let's see how many things you forget. You did not forget anything up till now, but one thing that you did not do right was speed, yeah? That's better. This is how you do it. So I'm going to jump in now and start guiding you. That tell me, what's the normal driving position?
As in,
Normal driving position in the UK?
like in your seat? Or
No, normal driving position. Where are you driving now?
on the left-hand lane is the left-hand lane.
So you're driving in right-hand lane, yes?
Yeah.
So in these circumstances, what you did on the roundabout, acceptable. But when you started driving in this lane and you did not make no effort to go back on the left lane, they will fail you.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Normal driving position,
Yeah. Can you see the light?
which is on left-hand side. So what do you do now to come back in left?
Center left. And
That's good.
Mirror.
Yes. And now? Is it safe?
No.
Keep signal on. So you don't have to cancel signal. When you cancel signal, ease off the gas. Is it safe now?
It's safe.
You understand?
Yeah.
So roundabout was okay. Speed was not good because you have to stop. There was no need to stop. There was nobody coming from right hand side. Yes? Taking this left. Oh, go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight. Second exit. Is this position good?
Yeah.
This is the common mistakes the learner have, yes? When they end up, they head in right, but the position has to be on left. So when you come to start looking right, you adjust the steering as well towards your left, because you have to do two things there: observation, priority, and position of your car, because you are at last minute at the edge of the corner of the roundabout. You got this roundabout okay?
Which one?
This last one?
This last one, I think it was fine.
And what was the one thing that needed a bit more improvement?
Observation.
Position. When you came to end and I told you keep it steering right left, that was your position. Go straight, first exit at this roundabout. When we go straight, something like this, do we need no signal?
No.
We do.
Do.
Yes. Consider giving a left signal, even if your exit is like this, straight, and it is a first exit. Why? Because people behind, people on the right, the left-hand side here, they will come to know what is your intention, which exit you're going. So consider giving a signal left, even your exit is like this. You know what I mean? The next roundabout.
It's the national speed limit, isn't it?
It is national speed limit, and I will ask you what's the national speed limit means to you here. What figure?
70 miles an hour.
Sorry?
70 miles an hour.
Why do you think it's a 70 mile per hour here?
Because it is a dual carriageway, and
how does it make it dual carriageway?
Because there's a partition between the two.
Thank you. And when will it become 60? Go straight, first exit. Deal with this, and then we'll talk about this. Good. So now tell me, what will be the speed for the same sign on the